Hello student. Today I am going to discuss moving coil galvanometer. What is moving coil galvanometer? It is a device used to detect or measure small electric current flowing in the electric circuit. What is its principle? Moving coil galvanometer is based on the fact that when a current carrying loop or coil is placed in the uniform magnetic field, it experiences a torque. Now construction. It consists it consists of a coil wound on a non-metallic frame. The coil is suspended between two poles of a permanent magnet which are cylindrical in shape. The coil is suspended by a hair-like spiral spring which acts as path for the current to the coil. End of the spring is connected to the terminal T2 of the galvanometer. The other end of the coil is connected to a light spring which is finally connected to the terminal T1. The spring exerts a very small restoring couple on the coil. Now theory. Left, B, intensity of magnetic field. I, current flowing through the coil. L, length of the coil. B, breadth of the coil. L into B equal to A, area of the coil, and N equal to number of turns in the coil. When current flows through the coil, it experiences torque, which is given by sin theta, NIAB sin theta. Theta is the angle made by the normal to the plane of the coil with the direction of the magnetic field. If theta equal to 90 degree, sin 90 degree equal to 1, then tau n equal to NIAB. This torque is known as the deflecting torque. As the coil gets deflected, the suspension wire is twisted and a restoring torque is developed in it. If K is the restoring torque per unit twist of the suspension wire, then the restoring torque for the deflection phi is given by K phi. For equilibrium, of the coil, deflecting torque is equal to restoring torque. So deflecting torque is NIAB and restoring torque is K phi. I equal to K phi NAB. I equal to G phi, where G equal to K NAB. That is I is proportional to phi. Thus, deflection of the coil is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Now we are discussing sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer. A galvanometer is said to be sensitive if a small current flowing through the coil of galvanometer produces a large deflection in it. There are two types of sensitivity. First one is current sensitivity. Current sensitivity it is defined as the deflection produced in the galvanometer per unit current flowing through it. That is, we can write as current sensitivity equal to phi by I. If you put the value of I, K phi NAB, which is equal to NAB by K. Thus, higher sensitivity is achieved by increasing N, A, and B and decreasing K. And number 2, voltage sensitivity. It is also defined as the deflection produced in the galvanometer per unit voltage applied to it. So voltage sensitivity equal to phi by V equal V equal to IR. So if you put the value of I and after calculating we will get NBA by KR. So voltage sensitivity can be increased by increasing NBA and decreasing K and R. For today this much. Thank you.